Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomi Fi here with another episode of Mi-Stery Box. And today we've got another box to unbox, and I must say I have no idea what's in here. This one is very heavy. Maybe it's 100 Mi bands. Let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Here we go. Huh? Oh, really? These are the Mi Smart light bulbs, the LED bulbs. But we actually have a whole ton of them, including some lamps. I guess someone wants me to build a whole rig of light here. Let's see what's happening here. Wow, and there we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 5 of these guys, and these are smart light bulbs, so they will connect over Wi-Fi. We can remotely control them. So let's open all of this up and let's have a look. I think I have a whole bunch of these guys actually. Oh yeah. That's a lot of manuals in a lot of countries. So let's have a look at the light bulb itself. Oh, that's nice. So this should be a white light bulb that has like hues of white, like more blue toned and more warm toned, but it also has a full color spectrum. So let's have a look at what all of these look like and put them in these lamps and unbox all of them. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna install it over Wi-Fi, because you can control these via the Mi Home app and change the color, change the brightness, change everything. So I'm opening up the Xiaomi Home app and I'm gonna add a new device. Oh, it already found it. It says, hey, new light bulbs found. Lots of them. Poop, poop, poop. They're all popping up. So I'm gonna use just one of them. I agree. So I'm gonna add this one into a room. Let's say the living room. And I'm calling this light bulb 1. I don't want to share the device. I could share it with someone else in my home, for example. And now I have one set up. And you can see I can control its brightness. That's this guy. So what I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to install all of them so that we all have them appear in the app. Okay, so you go to add a new device, click on add manually, go to lighting, and there on top you can see a light group. I'm going to click on that. And I can literally select which lights that I want to add into this group. So I'm going to select all 5 of these lights. I'm going to say done, group created. And now you can see in my device list right here, there's actually this light group. And from here, it's initializing because it's the first time opening this. From here, I can actually control all 5 lights in one single go. So now, if I say turn off, I can turn off all lights with one click, turn on all the lights. See? I can change the brightness of all of them at the same time. And if I change the hue maybe to something like warm, like this, you can see I'm controlling all of them at the same time. It's kind of fun. I like it. You can also set all of these light bulbs to one specific color, like this, for example. All green. So now we can change all of them to blue. We can change all of them to green. We can change all of them to red, all at the same time. It's kind of cool. I really like that. And you can lastly set up a color flow, and that's where they will change between colors like this. I'm not sure how it comes through on camera, so maybe I will set this one to be a lot darker, so now you can see the color very well. Yeah, I needed to kind of, looks like a disco right here. How about that? And I can still have individual control if I want to. You can also voice control these with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Hey Google, set the mystery box lights to white. You feel very powerful when you can do it by voice. That's really fun. Extra cool is that if you want to have a light switch, which is one of the things that I really needed, you can actually use it in conjunction with the Mi Home Smart Sensor set that we looked at recently here on the channel, and you can control all of these lights with a motion sensor or, for example, with one of these wireless switches. So from the Mi Home app, I can actually create an automation rule and say that I want this switch to control all of these lights. So that was it, another enlightening episode of Mi-Stery Box. I thought it was pretty cool, especially to make whole groups. I really like these, like to see the app control, like to see the voice control. The voice control is really awesome. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm probably going to be doing a review of these lights on my channel over at Xiaomi, so you can check that out if you want. And you can go to mi.com where you can read all about these as well. So that's it for this episode, and I hope to see you guys soon. Peace. This is really cool. Hey Google, turn off all the lights in the mystery box room.